managed to win possession. Still allowed to drive forward once again through West Sefai's base. Here's Saka looking for Patrick Asiedu. And that's a big boots. And Kotoko wins the throwing advantage. Quickly taken by Patrick Asiedu. Here's Saka down and decides to go for the blast. And it's in! Kotoko opens the scoring account. And it's Saka down. Hutsik. And with ease, first Kotoko into the lead. And Amwa cannot just wait it. The Porcupine Warriors are dancing and clapping. And Saka Dauda hit it from inside the box. That's a quality hit, isn't it? That's a bit careless from True Democracy's defense. Will be asking themselves a lot of questions. Well, they managed to fall back all of a sudden. And it was a quick throw taken by Patrick Asiedu, who saw Saka Dauda run into that space. Not the best of power drive, but it is just enough to beat goalkeeper Amwa between the two sticks for True Democracy. In 3 teams already booked their way into the semi-finals. That's a lovely ball there from Anchiache, and a penalty has been given to Asante Kotoko. And you can see everyone is just up on your feet. And next to man, Kwame Opoku, I was just telling you about him. He has done it so much. He has done it so much off the ball. He does not do so much off the ball. Just a little effort. And he. No, that's what I mean. Here was it again. And the first one well taken care of. The second one, you need to really keep your eyes in that incident. But absolutely nothing was done to him. Kwame Opoku, nobody touched him. That is a very difficult angle for the referee to see. Maybe we'll have the benefit of seeing that replay and to ascertain whether there was any touch on Kwame Opoku. Well, it's a very difficult decision. The referee have already taken the penalty for the Porcupine Warriors, who went around to make it 2 before they head into the dressing room. And there's a skip out the side, Justice Blade, who walks up to it. It's a tale of 2 different opposite teams tonight. Kotoko inspirationally look for the second one. But the big question is, can the goalkeeper go for that one? Keep it out. Blay! Oh, comes on the woodwork. And True Democracy hangs on to the 1-goal cushion against them. The woodwork to the rescue. Big miss there from the big captain. Here's entry. There's a tap from behind, but referee played advantage. Forced to Saka Dauda, decides to go with his favorite rifle of the 18-yard. Bends one in, and that's just too heavy. It's a goal kick. Eugene quickly takes it, formerly of second year Zakes. 60 minutes. That's the scoreline. That's the time at the moment. And you can understand it's a bit of tiredness all then. Last game between United. We saw Gordon kick. Right, the penalty spot 5-3, making it into the. But here they've got a free kick in a very promising position. And you can tell it is just about 30 yards out. And it might be a bit problematic. If it's well taken by Botchway. Decides to go for the head. Oh my goodness, it's in! It's in! Oh my goodness, it's in! It's Botchway with a thunderbolt to beat Mohamed Kamara to it. And True Democracy are back in his time in the Garden City. And it's the man in the 10 who strikes them into the game. I've just told you that Kotoko needs to really sit on the edge of their seat. With the way True Democracy have been very calm in the last few minutes in this particular half. Not showing that hastiness they show in the first 45 minutes. And it's Botchman who brings back the Tampa Bay Club into the game. What the fans have been calling for. Really beating Kamara to his far post. Arriving a shield late. And just goes under him. Of additional time. Big minute for Kotoko. And for True Democracy, that'll be a lot. I was just talking about Coach Prospernato agreement, MTN FA Cup. The quarter-final run has been his best finish so far. After exiting in 2022 at a round of 64. Exited in 2024 at a round of 16. And he's going to place better with the 1-1-8 stage with the Porcupine Warriors this evening. And he'll be looking to improve it further. LJT. That's a lovely cut. That's a big hit. And somehow now gets it back to Mohamed Kamara. Well, I see. There's a red card. Matching order for coach Lukman Moro. And you can see the former Petite man very furious about the decision from referee Afonso Atiapa. That's a clever header back to his goalkeeper. And you can see the emotions really being inflicted in this penultimate quarter-final matchup. And a lot of cards have been flying high in this evening fixture. I think the highest of this quarter-final. And someone else giving it a strong battle by Justice Akogri. And the referee flashing out another one to Justice Akogri. When I say a bit careful, that's a bit silly, isn't it? Just getting himself into the book of the referee for no reason. We'll go for that one. Stays a bit longer on the tap. Unless you wind down the clock a bit. Drives one up front. Some more Tornado. That's Mahfouz being the culprit on the far right hand side. Yes, if the Bayaya ejected, counts it in. Asante Kotoko player. Samba headed back now. Some more Tornado instead. Aqua drifting from the left hand side. This could be a big moment. That is blocked by Abdul Basit. Kotoko still have the advantage. It is in! It is in! It is in! It is in! It's Kwame Opoku with the winning goal for Kotoko. And the big man have just danced on the big stage. I told you he does not need several touches within through Democracy's territory. Just a little, and he will be a bit problematic. And the Kotoko fans have just all of a sudden found their voice. Watch it once again. What struck? And Kwame Opoku rejoices. Let's wait a minute. There seems to be a bit of big problem here. There's Abdul Basit. Just wondering what exactly might be the problem with those two players. And you can see Goffred. Not happy with the fourth official. And the referee will need to stamp his authority on the game. It's becoming a bit wild. And the emotions at the moment is just skyrocketing, especially for True Democracy. Now the Kotoko fans will continue to really sing and dance, which is what it. There were two players, especially the other one lying on the turf, and the complaint seems to be the reason the referee didn't whistle when one of the men was already down on the turf, but decided to claim the advantage for Kotoko to take the lead. There's going to be a lot of complaints this evening. Just watch it again when Amedu Aqua ran into the channel. But the problem is to really detect what exactly happened to the two players lying on the turf before Kwame Opoku struck that one in. Referee Alfonso Otiepa takes a look at his watch. And you can see the Kotoko fans in the numbers really rejoicing at the moment. 97 minutes, and it's Kotoko who are back in front. Yes, Abdul Basit back to Mahamudu. It's left it deep. Yes, Tornado That's a big hack. And you can see Abedamwa. You can see Abedamwa. And the temperature into this game is just skyrocketing in this 9 minutes of the game. And the big man stays on the tap. Kwame Opoku. When will he stop scoring? He'll score against BBN Go Start. Did him against Medema. Did him against Vision FC. Legon Cities. Summer Text 1996. And here's it tonight against True Democracy. The Division 1 side. And you can see the referee. Alfonso Atiapa will start the refereeing back in 2009. Almost 15, 16 years now. Really ensuring that the game resumes. And so much experience under his belt. Yes, Sam Tornado for Kotoko. Babayaya. Yes, Mohamed Kamara. Yes, Sam Barnell. Back to Sifa. And that's Saturday entity in Ashanti Region's capital city. There's Asante Kotoko that wonderfully beat True Democracy FC by 2-1. What a night for Coach Prosper Natelgum for the first time. Have been able to carry the side into the semi-finals. And what a season-defining moment for Kotoko, who are atop of the Ghana Premier League. And I've also got another ticket in the second most revered competition in the country. But for this, True Democracy players, it's a lot of emotions upon emotions at display. And they need to be very cautious. That came over. It's a done deal. There cannot be any reverse to this game. And it's Kotoko that have set up a clash against Beckham Chelsea. So interestingly, in the semi-finals, we've got two Premier League clubs facing each other. And in the other way around, we've got two Division 1 side also matching up. So definitely we've got a rep of the Ghana Premier League in the final, same for the Division 1 side, because a Trump division will take on Golden Cape. Whilst Asante Kotoko takes on Beckham Chelsea in Takwa. That is just uncontrollable at the moment for the True Democracy players who've got so much explanations to do. And you can see some of their